Brainy Bites, a daily dose for self-improvement.
Hey there, Brainiacs. Ever wondered how to unlock your brain's full potential? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of neuroscience to bring you 9 science-backed tips that will supercharge your smarts and give you a mind that's sharper than ever before. So, grab your mental workout gear, because we're about to embark on a journey to boost your brain power like never before. Greetings, fellow explorers of the mind. It's no secret that the human brain is a captivating enigma, holding secrets that continue to baffle scientists and ignite our curiosity. With ongoing research, we're peeling back the layers of this incredible organ, uncovering insights that could revolutionize the way we think about intelligence. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you 9 jaw-dropping discoveries from the forefront of brain science. Each one poised to elevate your cognitive abilities and give you the mental edge you've been craving. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to stay sharp, stick around, because these tips are about to take your brain power to soaring new heights. Let's dive into the first tip, all about the magic of quality sleep. You know that feeling when you wake up after a solid night's sleep, and it's like your brain just hit the reset button? Well, there's some serious science behind it. Quality sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. It's a cornerstone of brain health. When we snooze, our brain kicks into high gear, working overtime to consolidate our memories. It's like a backstage crew tidying up the stage after a big performance, ensuring everything is ready for the next show. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. During those precious hours of slumber, our brain cells go into full-on detox mode. They sweep out toxic compounds that can wreak havoc on our cognitive functions. Think of it as a cleaning crew going through your brain, sweeping away the mental cobwebs and making sure everything runs smoothly. Without this vital process, those toxins can build up, potentially leading to serious issues down the line. So, you see, a good night's sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a non-negotiable for a healthy, high-functioning brain. Now, let's talk about the flip side, chronic sleep deprivation. We've all had those nights where we sacrifice sleep for one reason or another, but when it becomes a habit, it can have serious consequences. Not only does it leave us feeling groggy and unfocused, but it's like sending your brain's cleanup crew on an extended vacation. Without their diligent work, those toxic compounds can accumulate, potentially leading to more serious issues, like memory problems and even conditions like Alzheimer's. It's a stark reminder that sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's a vital component of maintaining a healthy, sharp mind. So, let's make a pact to prioritize those Z's and give our brains the TLC they deserve. Now, let's shift our focus to tip number 2, managing stress for a healthy brain. Picture this, your brain is like a high-performance engine, capable of incredible feats. But when it's under constant stress, it's like running that engine on overdrive without a brake. Chronic stress can take a toll on our cognitive functions, affecting memory, learning, and even our ability to control impulses. It's like throwing a wrench into the gears of our mental machinery. We might find it harder to concentrate, process information, and retain new knowledge. So, it's clear that giving our brain a break from stress is crucial for maintaining peak performance. But that's not all. The impact of stress goes beyond just the cognitive realm. It takes an emotional toll too. Prolonged stress can lead to feelings of anxiety, a constant sense of tension, and even frequent distractions. It's like having a noisy background soundtrack that never seems to fade away. These emotional consequences can make it even more challenging to tackle daily tasks and can create a vicious cycle of stress feeding into more stress. So, let's make a pact to find healthy ways to manage stress. Whether it's through mindfulness practices, exercise, or simply taking some time to relax and unwind. Your brain will thank you for it, and you'll be on your way to a sharper, more focused mind in no time. Let's delve into the fascinating world of love, hate, and their connection to our brains. Now, let's venture into tip number 3, love, hate, and your brain. Picture your brain as a buzzing control center, orchestrating all your emotions and feelings. When it comes to love and hate, they actually originate from similar neighborhoods in our brain. It's like they're distant cousins living in the same town, and their paths often cross. These emotions are tightly intertwined with the brain's intricate circuitry, creating a dance of neurotransmitters and electrical signals that shape how we feel. Here's where it gets really intriguing. When we're in the throes of love, something fascinating happens. Our brain areas responsible for logical thinking and judgment, they sort of take a backseat. It's like they're temporarily letting the heart lead the way. This shift in focus can explain those moments when love seems to defy all reason. You might find yourself doing things you never thought you'd do, all in the name of love. It's like the brain is saying, alright, let's put rationality on hold for a bit and let the heart take the reins. So, next time you're head over heels, just remember, it's not just your heart doing the talking, it's your brain giving it the green light. Now, let's dive into tip number 4, stay hydrated for optimal brain function. Picture your brain as a bustling city, with streams of information flowing in and out. Believe it or not, water plays a starring role in this dynamic. Our brain is a whopping 80% water, making it one of the thirstiest organs in our body. It's like a sponge, soaking up every drop to keep the gears of cognition turning smoothly. But here's the catch, even mild dehydration, as little as a 2% drop in water levels, can lead to noticeable dips in cognitive performance. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank of gas. Reduced water levels can lead to decreased concentration, making it harder to focus on tasks at hand. And that's not all, our memory takes a hit too. It's like trying to recall a favorite song, but the melody is just out of reach. So, staying well hydrated isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's about giving your brain the fuel it needs to function at its best. Now, on to tip number 5, understanding pregnancy's impact on the brain. Picture the brain as a dynamic landscape, constantly evolving to adapt to life's milestones. When it comes to pregnancy, it's like the brain is preparing for its most extraordinary journey yet. Studies have shown that pregnancy leads to intriguing changes in the brain's gray matter, the part responsible for processing information and emotions. It's like the brain is remodeling its rooms to welcome a new occupant. But why does this happen? Well, it's all in the name of strengthening the mother-child bond. These changes in gray matter are like a brain's way of fine-tuning its abilities to understand the needs and emotions of the little one on the way. It's like a built-in upgrade, ensuring that a mother is finely attuned to her child's cues, from the first fluttering kicks to the sweet coos of infancy. These adaptations are nothing short of remarkable, showcasing the incredible ways our brains prepare us for the transformative journey of motherhood. Moving right along to tip number 6, being mindful of sugar intake. Imagine your brain as a high-speed network, with neural connections transmitting information at lightning speed. Now, when we overload our system with excess sugar, it's like throwing a wrench into the works. Studies have shown that an abundance of sugar can disrupt these vital neural connections, slowing down communication and impairing cognitive function. It's like trying to navigate a busy city with traffic jams at every turn, everything slows down. But here's the good news, there's a powerful ally in our quest for a healthy brain, and it comes in the form of omega-3 fatty acids. Think of them as the superheroes swooping in to save the day. Foods rich in omega-3s, like fatty fish, nuts, and fish oil, have been shown to counteract the negative effects of excessive sugar consumption. They help repair and maintain those essential neural connections, ensuring our brain's communication network stays in top-notch condition. So, by being mindful of our sugar intake and incorporating omega-3 rich foods into our diet, we're giving our brains the support they need to stay sharp and focused. Now, on to tip number 7, love and maternal feelings, a neurological connection. Picture your brain as a grand orchestra, with different sections playing in perfect harmony. When it comes to love, whether it's that heart-pounding romantic kind or the warm, nurturing maternal kind, the brain choreographs an intricate dance of neural activity. It's like each type of love has its own special score, played by different sections of the orchestra. When it comes to romantic love, the brain areas associated with sexual arousal take center stage. It's like a symphony of passion and desire, playing a tune that's unique to those heady, heart-fluttering moments. On the flip side, maternal love strikes a different chord. The brain areas responsible for forming deep connections and nurturing take the spotlight. It's like a tender lullaby, soothing and protective, creating that unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. While these two types of love share some similarities in brain activity, there are also distinct differences. It's like they have their own dialects, speaking the language of love in their own special way. Recognizing these nuances gives us a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of our emotions. So, whether it's the fiery passion of romantic love or the nurturing embrace of maternal love, know that your brain is orchestrating a beautiful symphony of emotions that make each experience truly unique. Now, on to tip number 8, unleash your creativity with painting. Imagine your brain as a canvas, just waiting to be filled with vibrant strokes of creativity. Engaging in painting and appreciating art isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a banquet for the brain. Studies have shown that immersing ourselves in artistic endeavors has a profound effect on brain function. It's like a workout for the mind, stimulating areas responsible for creativity, problem solving, and even emotional expression. It's a bit like taking your brain to the gym and giving it a hearty workout session. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Painting doesn't just exercise our brain, it also has the potential to slow down the aging process. It's like a magic elixir for maintaining cognitive vitality. When we embrace our inner artist, we're giving our brain a powerful tool to stay sharp and agile as the years go by. So, next time you pick up that brush or gaze at a masterpiece, know that you're not just creating art, you're nurturing your brain's health and vitality. Now, when it comes to comparing the benefits of painting versus studying art history, a fascinating study comes into play. Researchers discovered that while both activities offer unique merits, painting takes the lead in enhancing brain function. It's like a head-to-head match where painting emerges as the champion. Engaging in hands-on artistic creation appears to have a more pronounced impact on brain activity and cognitive function compared to studying the history of art. So, if you're looking to give your brain an extra boost, grab a canvas and let those creative juices flow. And now, we come to our final tip, number 9, activate your brain with reading. Imagine a book as a magical portal, ready to transport you to new worlds and ignite your imagination. But it's not just about the adventure on the pages, it's about what's happening in your brain as you read. When we dive into a book, our brain goes into full-on training mode. It's like a mental gym session, with every page turn flexing our cognitive muscles. Reading activates vital brain areas responsible for concentration and cognition, ensuring that our mental faculties are in top form. Now, here's what sets reading apart from more passive activities like TV watching or gaming. When we read, blood flow to these crucial brain areas increases, creating a surge of activity that's like a symphony of neurons firing off in response to the written word. It's an active engagement, a dance of comprehension and imagination that stimulates our brains in unique and powerful ways. In contrast, passive activities like TV or gaming can often leave our minds in a more passive state, like a spectator in the stands rather than a player on the field. So, the next time you crack open a book, know that you're not just indulging in a story. You're giving your brain a robust workout, keeping it agile, alert, and ready for whatever challenges come its way. Reading truly is a superpower for your mind. So there you have it, 9 incredible tips to supercharge your brain power and unlock your full potential. From prioritizing quality sleep to embracing the creativity of painting, each tip offers a unique pathway to a sharper, healthier mind. Now, I encourage you to take these insights and weave them into the fabric of your daily life. Imagine the amazing transformations that await as you embark on this journey towards a smarter, more vibrant you. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you for joining me on this exploration of brain-boosting strategies. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with fellow brain enthusiasts. By doing so, you're not only supporting this channel, but you're also helping to spread the knowledge and empower others on their own journey to a smarter, healthier mind. Until next time, keep those neurons firing and embrace the incredible potential of your amazing brain.